Once you have created an event, it's time to add tactics. Click the Add Tactic button to create a tactic line item. Select the tactic from the drop-down menu. The tactic list is predefined by your organization's admin and organized by media types. Rather than scrolling through the entire list, save time by searching with keywords. Tactic description is an optional field that can be used to provide additional information. For example, store counts or specific retailer divisions included in a program. Select the vendor for the tactic in the drop-down menu. This list is also predefined by your admin. Select the start and end dates for the tactic. Tactics will default to dates entered for the event, but a tactic can be assigned different dates within an event if needed. For example, a single event can have a digital banner ad campaign running for 4 weeks and a demo event that only occurs during a single weekend. Once you have outlined the tactic, vendor, and dates, it's time to add brands and products to the tactic. It's an important step since all expenses are assigned at the brand product level, not the tactic level, to allow for detailed reporting. Select both the brand and product from the drop-down menus. Like the menus, the options you see have been predefined by your company admin. Identify the tactic type, non-coupon or media, coupon or redemption, or select both to create 2 separate line items at the same time. For non-coupon items, the vendor name will automatically populate to match the tactic vendor. Expiration date and coupon code fields are not applicable and therefore not active for this tactic type. Non-coupon estimates are a simple calculation of units times unit cost. You can also enter a quantity of 1 and total cost as a lump sum. For coupon items, select whether the coupon expense will be a customer deduction or a coupon clearinghouse expense. Enter an expiration date and coupon code. Coupon items have a more detailed estimate dropdown so that you can track your redemption assumptions. Enter the offer details and redemption percent estimate. Your organization's clearinghouse fee is pre-populated. The next important step is to select the budget you will use to fund each line from the drop-down menu. The options in this list are based on the budgets that meet the criteria for the tactic you have set up. Choosing a budget for each tactic brand allocates the budget. This is the key step in linking budgets to events for reporting. To add tactics within the same event, click the yellow plus in the upper left of the tactic section. Repeat the same steps to build out the next tactic. You can also copy tactics to save time. Hover over the 3 dots on the far right and select Copy. Choose which fields you want to copy or remove. This feature can save time. For example, if you have different tactics or vendors, but the same brands and dates. The newly copied tactic shows up on top of the list. If you need to delete a tactic or a tactic brand, just hover over the 3 dots on the far right and select Delete. Leverage the Notes feature to collaborate with your team and add attachments to tactics. Hover over the 3 dots on the far right of the gray tactic line and then click Add Note. Tag a team member by using the @ symbol and picking their name from a drop-down list. They will receive an email and an in-app notification of the note. You can upload file attachments of any kind up to 50 megabytes. Consider uploading vendor contracts or final creative here.